Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: a Google account, the image or PDF uploaded to Drive, and Drive Open. Right-click the file and choose Open with Google Docs to trigger Google's built-in OCR. Once done, Docs creates a new document with the image at top and extracted text below. Make sure you uploaded a clear, high-contrast image. Blurry or skewed scans reduce accuracy. If you need multiple pages, upload a single PDF containing them before opening with Docs. Now focus on the middle work, cleaning the OCR output. Scroll below the image to review the raw text and correct common errors like line breaks, dropped punctuation, or misread characters such as L versus 1. Use Find and Replace for repeated mistakes and apply heading styles to restore structure. Once formatted, check numbered lists and columns manually since OCR may flatten layout. If you expect many similar pages, set up a consistent cleanup routine to save time. Finish by exporting the clean text. File, download as your preferred format, docx for editing, PDF for sharing, or plain text for scripts. If accuracy is poor, rescanning at higher resolution or converting multi-page scans into a single PDF often improves results. Also make sure Docs language matches the document language. Go to File, Language, and set it accordingly. If characters still look wrong, try an alternate OCR tool and compare, then paste back into your Docs file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.